In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning hero section using the Wix editor. Whether you're building a website for a business, a personal project, or a blog, a well-designed hero section can capture the attention of your visitors and give them an immediate sense of your brand. Let's dive right in and tackle this step by step. We'll start by opening the Wix editor. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and you'll spot the Add button. This section is essential for incorporating various elements onto your page. Clicking on Add will reveal a drop-down menu with various options, a creative playground for designing your website. Here, we'll select Strip. Strips are powerful tools in Wix. They let you organize different sections of your page in a clean and efficient manner. Now that we have a strip added to our page, it's time to begin designing our hero section within it. Our focus here will be to add a large image, some captivating text, and a call to action button. These three elements are crucial as they collectively make your hero section stand out and serve its purpose effectively. First, let's focus on the large image. To add this, go back to the Add menu and look for Image. You'll have access to various options, whether you're uploading your own picture or choosing from the extensive Wix library. Whichever you choose, make sure it's of high quality and resonates with the theme of your website. Images can convey messages swiftly and efficiently, drawing your visitors in the moment they land on your site. Moving on to the text, it's vital that it captures the essence of your message in a few compelling words. In the Add menu, pick Text and add an appropriate heading or slogan. The text should complement the image. Think of it as the narrator of your visual story. Be clear and direct while ensuring the font is both legible and in harmony with your selected theme. Adjust the position of the text until it perfectly aligns with your vision. The last element to include is a button. From the Add menu, click on Button to add this feature to your strip. This button serves as the call to action, prompting visitors to engage further. Customize the button style to align with your website's color palette and text style. Be concise with the button's wording. Phrases like "learn more" or "contact us" can be effective calls to action. Now that all components are in place, it's time to bring it all together by styling the strip as a hero. Head over to the strip's design settings. Here, you'll get to apply a cohesive style, ensuring each element enhances the aesthetic of the other. Adjust the size of the strip to